Google Suite login. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to sign into Google Suite, now called Google Workspace. Whether you're trying to access your Gmail, Google Docs, Drive, or any other kind of services, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, grab your device. This could be a computer, tablet, or smartphone, and simply go ahead and open your browser of your choice like Google Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Now, in your browser, simply type in workspace.google.com and hit enter. This will bring you to the Google Workspace homepage. On this page, you'll see the sign in button. Simply find that and click on get started. Alternatively, you can also search for Google Workspace sign in button and simply tap on it. Now here you need to simply choose the administrator account. Simply sign in with the administrator account, enter your email address, hit on next, and simply enter your password or passkey and simply enter your administrator account, and that's it. Then you'll be logged into your Google Workspace and ready to access all your tools, but you need to make sure that you're signing in with an administrator account.